Here is a Ford Ranger pickup with emergency lighting and siren installed. Embedded in the front grille of this Ranger, we installed two Moss 212s in red-white. We also flashed the directional and high beams. In the lower bumper, we installed two Moss 209s in red-white. On the top sits a Moss 8900 roof bar. This roof bar features takedown lights and alley lights. Let's look in the rear. While braking, it will activate the roof bar. We flash the parking and reverse lights. By the license plates are two Moss 209s. Emergency lights are activated by a custom installed switch inside. With the Phoenix 4200 mini controller, you have additional control of the roof bar. This allows control of the light bar's pattern. Here it's directing left and right. And center out. This activates the emergency lights. Takedowns are activated, as well as the alley lights. Next is the Phoenix controller. It activates the emergency lights. The controller can control the siren. It can also alternate the car horn from custom to factory.
If you have a fleet in need of GPS tracking, emergency or auxiliary lighting, backup camera system, or a complete video recording surveillance system, be sure to contact Move It On and let us put 40 years of experience to work for you.